Delete versus truncate. In SQL, both delete and truncate remove data from table, but they behave very differently. Delete is a DML command. It removes rows selectively using where clause. Works row by row so performance is slow. Supports transactions and rollback. And can fire triggers on delete command. Truncate, on the other hand, is a DDL command. It removes all rows at once. Does not use where clause. High performance. Does not support rollback in most databases. Does not fire triggers. One golden rule. When you need control, conditions, and safety, use delete. When you need speed and clean reset, use truncate. Let us see with the example of auto increment. Here I am creating one simple students table which has two columns, auto increment primary key and student name varchar. Okay, I created table successfully. Now I am inserting 4 records. Okay, records inserted successfully. Let us see what is we have inserted. Here we can see ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 records. Now I am deleting all records from students table. Now I am reinserting these records again. So see it again. Okay, did you see here that we will get ID as 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us use first truncate command. Now I am resetting idea. Now I am reinserting students record. Okay, we will see. Now look at this. I got IDs against 1, 2, 3, 4. In previous case, after delete, I got 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us see what databases other says about this auto increment properties. MySQL says about truncate table statement, truncate operations, drop and recreate the table, which is much faster than deleting rows one by one, particularly for large tables. Any auto increment value is reset to its start value. This is true even MySQL and InnoDB, which normally do not reuse sequence values. MS SQL Server. MS SQL Server says truncate table removes all rows from a table, but the table structure and its columns, constraints, indexes, and so on remain. To remove the table definition in addition to its data, use the drop table statement. If the table contains an identity column, the counter for that column is reset to the seed value defined for the column. If no seed was defined, the default value 1 is used. To retain the identity counter, use delete instead. Let us see what Oracle says about truncate table. Removing rows with truncate table statement can be more efficient than dropping and recreating a table. Dropping and recreating a table invalidates dependent objects of the table and requires you to repeat the following actions. Grant object privileges on the table, create the indexes, integrity constraints, and triggers on the table, specify the storage parameters of the table. Truncating has none of these effects.